Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with 10 ideas for handmade Christmas wrapping paper. I won't go deeply into details as most of them are really easy to follow. So enjoy some Christmas music and let's jump right into the first idea. This idea will look great on brown craft paper. I'm using my favorite white marker pen and draw gingerbread house on the front of the box. I do everything by hand as it doesn't have to be perfect. I fill the whole front, adding as many details and decorations as I can. This is very similar idea. This time I'm using plain green wrapping paper and draw greenery with my marker pen. Again, I try to fill it up. This time I will also draw on the sides of the box so it looks more complete. I draw a few different variety of greenery, but most of them are very Christmassy. This time I measure how much of the paper I will need and then decorate it. I have white paper and with stamp and black ink I create the pattern. I do it all over one side of the paper and then wrap it around the present. For this one, you can use fresh greenery if you like. This one just bends easier as it has wire inside. I twist two pieces together and form a circle shape. This is great idea if you like using more natural items. I will leave the link down below to my other video where I share how to easily make dry orange slices. For this project, I create my own decorative tape. I spread the star-shaped confetti and press the strip of the tape on them. This is more a time-consuming idea, but the final result is absolutely worth it. Small white pom-poms combined with craft paper and red color accents make this present even more outstanding. For this idea, I will be using very thin cork coaster. First of all, I draw glove shape, then cut it out and decorate it with marker pen. Using double-sided tape, I glue the greenery onto my red color paper. If you're interested how to make honeycomb effect decorations, I will leave the links down below. Last idea is super simple, but sometimes this is what you need to attract the attention.
Oh, it's cold outside and I miss you now. You're not here to keep me warm on Christmas Eve. I've been longing, been so lonely, wishing you could hold me now. I've been trying, I'm in denial that I am gonna be alright. But
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more. I wish you all happy Christmas and I will see you in my next video.
under the same stars, always, always.